Hey guys, this is a quick walk around of my XR150. I have the Pro Taper handlebars, got some aftermarket mirrors off of Amazon, and then let's go ahead and start it up. So I got an aftermarket front fender here, Supermoto wheels, and then got the wheels on the back. I did remove the passenger pegs, and then what I did around here on the side is I got this 3D printed so that I could remove the passenger peg on this side for the brake light. Did vinyl wrap all around, and we did the Tusk fender eliminator here on the license plate as well. And I plan on doing a big bore kit for this, and then also an exhaust.